11th standard students, this is Bhanupriya. Welcome to Under Learning Together. So today in this video, we are going to see the formula sheet for chapter 10 conic section. Yes, of course we know the basic 4 types of conic section is circle, ellipse, parabola and hyperbola. So we are going to see the standard form of these shapes. So let's start from circle. So we know that the circle has center and radius. So the center and radius form of circle having an equation that is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square. So here a and b is center and the coordinates of center, that is a comma b, and the radius is r. So in the question, the question they asked us to find the equation of circle and center and radius. If center and radius given means we have to use this formula to find the equation of the circle. Then in ellipse we have 2 standard forms, that is one is horizontal ellipse and vertical ellipse. So in horizontal ellipse we have the major axis is x-axis and the minor axis is y-axis. In vertical ellipse the major axis is x-axis, the major axis is y-axis and the minor axis is x-axis. Then the standard equation for horizontal ellipse, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Here in vertical ellipse, x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. So these are the standard equation of ellipse for these two standard forms. From this diagram we can clearly identify the foci and major axis and minor axis, then the lattice rectum. So the lattice rectum is common for both forms, whether it is an vertical ellipse and horizontal, both have same lattice rectum, that is 2b square by a. Then foci is minus c comma 0 and c comma 0. Then the coordinate of vertex is minus a comma 0 and a comma 0, and the minor axis sort of coordinates is 0 comma b and 0 comma minus b. And to find c square, the formula is c square is equal to a square minus b square. So when ellipse with the horizontal major axis, the formula is, as I said, x minus a whole square by h square plus y minus b whole square by k square equal to 1. Here the center is a comma b. So the length of the major axis is 2h and the length of the minor axis is 2k. Then the distance between center and either focus is c. Okay. Then ellipse with the vertical major axis, that is x minus a whole square divided by k square plus x minus b whole square divided by h square, whether it is ab or it is k comma h. Okay, center is a comma b, the major length, so the length of the major axis is 2h, length of the minor axis is 2k. So the distance between here also same, that is c square equal to h square minus k square. Coming to parabola, so in parabola we have 4 standard form, that is the curve is on left side and right side and upward and downward. So we have 4 standard forms in parabola, and also we have 4 different equations, standard equation for the parabola. That is, when the curve is on right side, the equation is y square is equal to 4ax. When our curve is on the left side, y square is equal to minus 4x. When it is on the upward, x square equal to, so the equation will become x square equal to 4ay. When it is on downward, the equation will become x square is equal to minus 4ay. And also these 4 types has the different foci, different vertices and different directrix, equation of the directrix. Everything is different for these 4 standard forms. Yeah, so this table will help us to identify the equation of axis, equation of the directrix, vertex, focus and the length of lattice rectum. Obviously the length of lattice rectum is common for all the standard forms. For 4 forms we have a common lattice rectum. Okay, first for the form y square is equal to 4ax, the equation of the axis is y is equal to 0. Equation of the directrix, x is equal to minus a, vertex is 0 comma 0. So obviously vertex is also common for all the 4 types. Then focus is a comma 0. Then for the second form minus a comma 0. Third form 0 comma a. Fourth form 0 comma minus a. So these are the formulas we use in the parabola concept. Then coming to hyperbola. So hyperbola is similar like ellipse, because here also we have two forms, and the formula is also like similar to ellipse, but here we use the symbol minus. Okay, so these are the two standard forms. The first, that is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, and another one is y square by a square minus x square by b square equal to 1. So these are the two standard forms. Similarly, these two forms have different foci, vertices, and everything, like equation of the directrix, everything is different for these two forms. And again here the table will help us to identify the things. That is, for the hyperbola, x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. If it is in the form of like this, then foci is going to be plus or minus ae divided ae comma 0, where e, eccentricity, is equal to root of 1 plus b square by a square. So these are the foci for the respective hyperbola. Yes, so I hope you guys have a clear idea now, and I hope this video is useful for you. So if you have any doubts, or if you want any video, you can comment. So we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye, all the best.